Welcome to this new MPEmbed tutorial. Today we are going to review our current Pano options, including our new Audio to Pano feature. The current Pano options are located at the top of the Premium Editing panel. Access the options by clicking the expansion arrow. Add text in the title and description fields and use it to activate a Pano annotation when the position is entered. Activate text-to-speech to have your text spoken. To adjust the parameters, go to the text-to-speech option further down the editing panel. Hotspot Color allows you to customize the way this Pano position is going to appear on the minimap. You either use the color picker or copy and paste your HTML color code in the associated field. Hide Hotspot will hide this Pano from the minimap. Use the Pano title to display a message when hovering on the minimap. The filter option lets you pick one of our preset color filters, or select a custom filter you previously created. Let's have a look at our recently released, Audio to Pano. This feature lets you inject an audio track to a Pano position. You can paste an MP3 URL or pick from your MPEmbed media library. The audio is triggered on enter and stops when leaving. A discrete audio player is displayed at the bottom center of the screen and can be closed anytime by clicking the X. Enable loop audio to restart the track automatically. You can also choose to keep the audio playing when leaving the Pano. It will only stop if entering a Pano with a different audio track, or if the user clicks the X. If you want your audio to autoplay when the space loads. The Audio to Pano option should not be used with AutoStart enabled. This feature is designed to soon accept images, videos and other medias. Please forward any suggestions, or support requests, to support@mpembed.com. Thanks for using MPEmbed.